Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to study a new lesson, transportation in animals and plants. In this lesson you shall learn about the transportation in plants and animals. First one, circulatory system in human beings. The first part is blood. First we discussing about blood. We know that our body contains blood. The blood is a fluid and which carry the digested food from the small intestine to all parts of the body and also carry oxygen from the lungs to the cell of the body. And blood is flowing through the blood vessels in our body. So in our body, the blood has certain function. The blood carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to all the parts of the body or to cell of the body. And the digested food from the small intestine and to carry all parts of the body. The fluid part of the blood is called plasma. What is called plasma? The fluid part of the blood is called plasma. Almost 55% blood contain plasma. Our blood contains some components. There are three main components are present in our blood. First one RBC, second one WBC, okay, RBC, WBC, and last one platelet. Okay, our blood contains some components. There are mainly three components. First one RBC. RBC full form red blood cell. RBC full form red blood cell. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ പറയുക? ചുവന്ന രക്താണുക്കൾ. Red blood cell. Okay. Second one WBC. എന്താണ്? White blood cell. വെള്ള കളർ വൈറ്റ് ബ്ലഡ് സെൽസ് ശ്വേത രക്താണുക്കൾ വൈറ്റ് ബ്ലഡ് സെൽസ് ഓക്കെ RBC WBC the last one platelet last component platelet and they carry certain functions in our blood. What is the color of our blood? Red color. The RBC containing one red pigment hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. One pigment hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the blood in red color. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in red blood cells RBC. RBC contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is red color. And it carries oxygenated blood and it helps in the blood to carry oxygen from the lungs and to transport to all cells of the body. And the presence of hemoglobin makes our blood appear red color. Okay, so what is the color of our blood? Red color. And in which pigment gives red color in blood? Hemoglobin. But hemoglobin is one red color pigment present in the RBC. Red blood cells and this hemoglobin carrying oxygenated blood from the lungs and to transport all parts of the body, that is all cells of the body. Okay, the next component WBC, white blood cells. Do you know function of WBC? To fight against the harmful microorganism, that is germs. The WBC white blood cells it protect our body from harmful microorganism, that is germs. It may enter our body. Okay, but WBC act as a barrier, like to fight against the harmful microorganism. The main function of WBC is fight against the harmful microorganism. The last one is platelet. The last blood component is platelet. The platelet helps to clot the blood. Clotting of blood. Blood clotting. Blood കട്ട പിടിക്കാന്ന് പറയും. അല്ലെ ബ്ലഡ് ക്ലോട്ടിങ്ങിന് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് പ്ലേറ്റ്ലെറ്റ്. ഇൻ യുവർ ബോഡി പാർട്സ് ഹാവ് വൺ കട്ട്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ cut on your finger. Then you can see that the blood is coming out from the cut. But after few minutes, we can see that the bleeding has stopped because the presence of the platelet. The platelet to prevent the bleeding, and it helps in the clotting of blood. Okay, dear children, first we learned about blood. Blood is a fluid part. It carrying oxygenated blood from the lungs and it carrying all parts of the body, and also it helps in the removal of waste from our body, and it also absorb digested food from the small intestine, like to carrying all parts of our body. It helps in the absorption process. And blood containing fluid part called plasma, and there are three components are present in our blood: RBC, WBC, last one platelet. RBC contain red color pigment hemoglobin. The hemoglobin carrying oxygenated blood from the lungs and also gives red color in blood. Second one WBC. WBC fight against the germs or harmful microorganisms they enter our body. Last one platelet, it helps in the clotting of blood. Next one, the blood is flowing through the vessels is called the blood vessel. Two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries and veins. The arteries carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to all parts of the body, and veins carry deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide content blood to all parts of the body to the lungs. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. The blood flows through different vessels, that is arteries and veins. Mainly two vessels, the blood can flow through two vessels, arteries and veins. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body, and the veins carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Okay, dear children, today's class is over. Everybody should read the textbook. At least 2 or 3 times read the portion. The next class we will discuss arteries and veins and also heart. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. Thank you, children.